In 3, 2, 1. Come on, skinny love, just last a year. Pour a little song we were never hear. My. Staring at the sink of blood crushed and near. I tell my love to wreck it all. Cut out all the ropes and let me fall. My. Right in this moment, this sword is told. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. And in the morning I'll be with you, but it will be a different kind. And I'll be holding all the tickets, and you'll be owning all the fines. And come on, skinny love, what happened here? Suckle on the hope and light brazier. My. Sun load is full, so slow on the split. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. Now all your love is wasted, then who the hell was I? Now I'm breaking all the bridges, and at the end of all your lines, who will love you, who will fight, who will fall far behind, who will love you, who will fight, who will fall far behind. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Skinny Love by Bon Iver on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this absolutely beautiful looking and sounding uke that you're playing in this video? I gotta know the details. Well, let me tell you, this is a tenor-sized Kumu ukulele. It is a wham! Thin-bodied uke with a bam built-in pickup, so you can change the effects right on the uke right here. You don't need to plug it into an amp. I'll leave a link down below where you can shop all of the Kumu and also Leilani series ukuleles. I'll leave also a link on screen right now. You can use code Ricky10 to save an automatic $10 off your entire purchase when you shop on their website. So again, link for their website will be down below. I absolutely love this beautiful uke, and I also do have my signature uke with Leilani ukulele. Again, I'll leave that link down below as well if you do want to go check my beautiful signature uke out and this uke. Everything will be down below. But talking about links in the description, links for my merch and also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And also, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button. We're about to hit 100,000 on this channel, so please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And also, finally, leave a comment down below letting me know your song requests, recommendations, suggestions, what you want to see on this channel in the future. I love reading them, listening to your song requests, and also maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song. So again, make sure to comment your song requests down below. But that is it for me. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.